Dear SEBI aspirant, as you know that the notification for the SEBI Grade A recruitment has already come out, and what you need to do is to put double efforts to prepare for the exam. Friend, the syllabus is vast and without a proper strategy, it will be rather difficult to accomplish it till the exam. Never take any paper for granted. Spare fixed time for all the papers dedicatedly. Whether the papers belong to the first phase or the second phase of the exam, you should dedicate your time to the balanced studies, to the balanced preparation of the exam. Friend, as far as the descriptive English test of the second phase is concerned, though it is the later stage, yet it is necessary for you to keep up with this paper. Friend, the descriptive English paper requires a lot of skills. It is an art, and so the drafting skills cannot be developed overnight. Read, analyze and take down what you have grasped in black and white on a virtual platform so that no topic may remain untouched in the actual exam. Friend, spare at least 1 hour for newspaper reading and select only the relevant topics for the purpose. Bankwise has issued the most probable essay topics fully updated. Keep the topics in front and gather information about those before you write on them. Don't forget to collect facts and figures bullet wise. Okay, this will definitely help you a lot to hone your drafting skills, and till the exam you will become fully convenient with these skills. Friend, drafting skills requires sound knowledge and grammar. Continue being with us for practice. We provide you with the highest number of descriptive English mock tests, personalized and non-personalized. Friend, the evaluation experts of ours provide you with the marks and remarks within 24 hours time in your dashboard itself. Okay, what you need to do is to visit www.bankwise.com for details. Friend, the descriptive English test comprises 3 sections, essay, précis and reading comprehension as per the notification of this exam. Friend, you will get 1 hour's time for these 3 sections comprising 100 marks, and you will have to submit all the answers in 60 minutes time. This paper, being open-ended in nature, can play a very crucial role for selection. Okay, so never take this paper for granted. The essay and the précis section carry 30 marks, while the comprehensive section 40 marks. The essay is to be written in 200 words and précis in around 170 words. There will be 5 questions set as against the given passage. Each question in this way will carry 8 marks. Each answer of yours should consist of around 100 words. Don't write the answers in one sentence or in incomplete sentences. Okay. Friend, there will be 4 essay topics based on current news on science and technology and social and economic affairs. You will find yourself updated if you are a regular visitor of this channel and the site of ours. Now friend, let's discuss how you can make an effective strategy for a better score in the descriptive English test. Collect the previously asked essay topics and collect the most probable essay topics which you will get on this channel very easily. Never waste time in hunting for articles. Just go through model essays on current issues on an online platform fully specialized for the concerned exam. Friend, choose a virtual platform for continuous practice on all the 3 sections. Okay? Never take any chance. Opportunity knocks very softly. You had better subscribe to the descriptive English paper mocks from a fully specialized platform. Please get your answers evaluated in a 360-degree by some experts who will continuously keep pinpointing on your weak areas for necessary improvement for better marks. Bankwise provides you with all these. Prepare yourself fully before it is too late. Okay? Wish you all the best. Thank you very much.